In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Canva in Windows 10. If you use Canva regularly, installing the desktop app can make your workflow feel much smoother. Instead of keeping everything inside a browser tab, the Windows app gives you a more dedicated workspace, which can help reduce clutter and make it easier to stay focused on your designs. It's also a good way to avoid some of the lag or slowdown that can happen when you have lots of tabs open at the same time. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 computer. You can use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. Once it's open, click into the address bar at the top, type canva.com/download/windows, and then press enter. This will take you directly to Canva's official Windows download page. It's always a good idea to download software from the official website so you know you're getting the correct and safest version. When the page loads, look for the main button that says Download Canva for Windows. Click that once, and the installer file will begin downloading automatically. Depending on your browser, you may see the download appear in the top right corner, at the bottom of the screen, or inside your downloads list. Give it a moment to finish downloading completely before moving on. After the download is done, you can close your browser if you want to clear up your screen. Next, find the installer file. You can usually click it directly from your browser's completed downloads area, or you can open File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and look for the Canva setup file there. Double-click the file to open it. If Windows asks for permission to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes or Run to continue. That's a normal security prompt. Now the installation will begin. The nice thing here is that Canva handles the setup automatically in the background, so you won't usually need to go through a long series of installation options. Just wait a few moments while the app installs. You may see a loading screen appear while everything is being prepared. Once the installation finishes, the Canva desktop app should open automatically. On the main screen, click Log in via browser. This will open a secure sign-in page in your default browser so you can connect your account to the app. After that, click Open Canva when prompted and your session will transfer into the desktop application. At that point, Canva is installed and ready to use on your Windows 10 computer. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.